This is Hunyah Travels, and today I'm going to be making ginger ale onion rings. Ginger ale onion rings is my own recipe, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Ingredients you need is all-purpose flour, some spices, so I'm using tomato and herbs and Cajun, and ginger ale. First, pour the all-purpose flour about 1 cup into the bowl. So it'll be something like this. Not too much. Now add in the spices, a little bit of Cajun, and a little bit of tomato and herbs. Now mix the all-purpose flour with the seasoning. Just a little like this, so it's seasoned flour. 1 egg. To add in the key ingredient, the ginger ale. So a little bit of ginger ale, about 2 teaspoons. Not too much. And now it's time to mix the batter. So just make sure there's not too much of ginger ale, otherwise the batter won't be able to stick. So it has to be something like this. Get the egg yolk in and get everything in like that. Now the batter is ready. It is with ginger ale, some seasoning, and flour and egg. So now it's ready to get to the coating. So I'm just going to take 1 onion. I'm going to dip it into the batter. Just dip it in as much as you can. And I'm going to coat it in the dry batter. That is this. So you could see. Then dip it in again. Dip it twice, so I'm doing double dipping. And I'm going to dip it in the dry batter. And then continue. So I'm going to take an onion. I'm going to dip it into the batter using a fork. This is my second method. I'm going to dip that into the dry batter. That is like this. Cover it up. And then just put it on the side and continue. The onion rings are ready, and they're ready to be put into the air fryer. You could see I coated them twice. I coated them even once, some of them, so I did them in different methods. So they're all coated and they're ready to be fried. Heat the air fryer, and that'll be set to 8 minutes. To add in the onion rings, so it's going to take them and put them into the air fryer. So I'm just doing a few for now. You can see this is going to go into the air fryer. The air fryer, and it's going to cook for 8 minutes. Turn the food. So I'm going to take this, and you can see I'm just going to turn it. That is like this. So you could see halfway done in the air fryer, and they're just almost ready to be eaten. Ginger ale onion rings are ready, and they're ready to be taken out. So I'm just going to take these out. And now they're done. And now here are the onion rings, ginger ale onion. The ginger ale onion rings, you can see they're ready, they're crispy, they're crunchy, and they're ready to be eaten. So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels, and watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you.